If you want some kind of farm, it's 20,000 euros. You have 1,000 square meters.
240 en 2 hier. Die is te koop, die is verkocht.
A lot of houses. You even have houses for 32,000. So it's really cheap. 20 and a half, 22 and a half, my bad. If you want to come to Spain, or even if you want to live in Spain as a European, which I can recommend. I'm done with the rain every day in Holland. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. It's been raining in Holland for like I think 6 months or something like that, to the point where I was actually able to leave Holland. I actually wanted to leave last year, but I did not have the possibility to leave. Anyways, I got the possibility to leave Holland. Now I'm a programmer. I have work, so I do earn a Dutch salary, business based. But if you have the possibility, I can highly recommend you go to Spain, Sweden, Norway. I can imagine if you live in a country like that, at a certain point in life you're actually done with the weather. Especially if you live in Denmark, Sweden, Finland. Germany is also bad, the weather is also bad. Do not hesitate to go to Spain. I've done it. This is my second week. We have been to Morocco, to Portugal. Now we are just touring around in Spain, and it's the best decision I've ever made in my life. ¿Cómo? Yo no hablo español, solo un poco, ¿no? This man has a long pants on. Está muy loco, ¿no? Está muy loco. Like I said, if you want to come to Spain and you're doubting about if you will find your place, don't worry, just do it. Be like me, you can do it, we can do it. Let's go for some food, and I will see you guys back in a second.
Going to the toilet. He definitely know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do it. My beer. His beer.
¿Qué porte tiene el país?
There's my mate. Yeah, party.
Hey, teringleier. You drink myself better, no? Fuck you, man.
Kissy!
Amigos, ¿entiendes? Mari. Asi.
Hola.
Sí.
We found 2 new amigos.
Yo.
Hey, we have good recensions for Spain. Where is this from? Spain or Morocco?
Spain.
Español. Sí.
Witash.
Oh.
Witash.
Morocco. We went Morocco yesterday. Tangier. He put. You take.
This hashish.
Usted ni que sabe.
Amigos, ¿eso es bueno?
Claro. Hey. Nos
Just-
vemos, mi gente.
We just found some guys. We saw them hiding the spliff, so we thought let's go and drive by and see if they we can smoke some hashish with them. Claro. Gracias,
Claro.
amigos.
Hey, gracias,
Nos
amigo.
vemos.
Luego.
Okay, it's always good.
Thank you.
It's always good to recognize somebody smoking hash. We saw them. We drove by, and we saw. I saw them hiding something. So when somebody hides something, they're like, "What are these guys doing?" So I knew exactly they were smoking ashes. So we just drove by. Hasta luego! Let's continue the tour. Let's get lost. Anyways, if you guys really like these videos, I'm not asking for money, I'm not asking for anything. All I want is your like and a subscribe and share it with as much people as you can. If one gets to 100,000 within 2 months, I told them I will buy him a ticket to Thailand. We will go to Thailand.
We make crazy content in Thailand.
We will make really crazy content in Thailand because I know
100%.
because I know Lebrija. Lebrija.
Ah, ni hao. Pokai, asim kaleng.
We're big stop. So he makes a move. Amigo, gracias. Spanish people are so friendly, man.
Zullen we dat bord meenemen? Niemand die het ziet.
Ja, pak hem welke? Deze?
Nee. Eén bord meenemen, ja of nee?
Ja, ga maar.
Wacht.
Oh, deze hier. Mira, aquí.
Pak ze allebei.
¿Qué pasa aquí? Nee, doe niet. Of wel? Mira. Snel, gaan dan. Obviously, we cannot pay our next trip. We have to sell the things in the bag. You know, we need money for our next trip because you guys, I'm not asking you for money. That's why I make my own money. But that's why I take Plato del Construction.
Nog meer content, geen doen.
Crazy. We go. We're lost on a farmer's property. Wow. Look at if this was my house. Holy shit. Hola.
Ik kan niet echt gaan verder gaan kijken, denk ik.
I took the vino with me. I took the gasoline with me. I will take.
Hola.
Poco vino, no?
We are driving, watching, filming for YouTube.
Vino, sì. Por ganjera vino aquí.
De Jerez, este fino.
Sí, es muy bueno, más fuerte.
Este de Trebujena.
Es fuerte.
Es fuerte.
Sí. Okay, so we found something, but they do not sell anything. Amigo, gracias. Hasta luego.
Geleden was ik hey, hasta luego.
So sadly, they do not sell anything here, like vegetables or I have no idea. At least I got my Spanish gasolina. Gasolina. Crazy European Dutch people continue the tour. He said if I will pull his hair one more time, he will kill me. Should I pull his hair?
Nee, niet. Ik vind dat niet leuk. Dos hermanos.
We go to Dos Hermanos. Dos Hermanos.
Dat zijn twee vrouwen.
Destación número 2. Hermanas es mujer. Hermano is brother. Hermano is brother.
Two sisters.
Hermana is sister. Striking the trail. Now I already forgot what farmer means. Granjero or something. I'm just gonna look it up. Because if I look it up for a second time on my phone, then the possibility that I will forget the Spanish word is a lot less. I should. So what farmer means in Espanol, you can say it on two different ways. So if you want to say it is from the farmer, if it is from the farmer, you will say del granjero.
Del granjero.
So I did say it right. But if you want to say just farmer, then you don't call it granjero, but then you call it agricultor. Agricultor. So this is the Iberico district. Boy, we just walked up the hill just for a picture with this one.
Oeh.
Mr. Stone Collector. Oh, what the fuck?
What the fuck? Ja, dat dacht ik ook.
Oh?
Die stallen, broer.
Ja. What?
Die gaat mee, vriend.
Mr. Stone Collector already found another couple of stones on top of the hill.
Crystals.
Crystal meth? He found some crystal meth. Man, this guy is taking all the rocks home with him. He literally has like 5 kilos of stone and empty shells from sea creatures, and I don't know what this guy has. Imagine being scared of nothing and then being scared of a couple of bugs, spiders, as small as these ones. If the bottle dies by the end of the day, then things are going really bad.